Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today, we have a cocktail known as a chocolate sunrise. All right, as you can see here, I've got a shaker with some ice in it. I just added 1 shot, or 1.5 ounces, of creme de coco. It's a liqueur you can find in pretty much any liquor store. And then I added a shot of Captain Morgan. All right, now I'm going to add 2 shots of orange juice. And pop the top on and shake like crazy. Then in a highball glass, pour the cocktail in. And that's pretty much it for the chocolate sunrise. You can garnish it with an orange slice if you like. And I have to say, this drink was absolutely delicious. It tasted like orange chocolate. So, great way to start your day. So that's a chocolate sunrise. Done.